Hi, welcome to Miss Amy's Creations. I made our barbecue chicken earlier, and what I am doing now is I am making champ. It's an Irish potato dish. So I've taken my canned potatoes, and I'm just going to heat those up thoroughly. This is just the water that was in them, so it looks a little extra starchy. And then I will get the rest of my items ready, and I will be back with you. Okay, now I am going to take about 2 cups of milk, and I'm going to add a half a cup of butter. Oops. And then I'm going to just heat this up on the stove so it doesn't cool my potatoes down when I put it in. So we will just want to heat that on a low temperature because milk will scorch very easily. I've also taken these are 3 large green onions, chopped those up, and I have those ready because we're going to add those to our potatoes, and that is champ. So, I'll show you. Alright, I want to tell you that traditionally the potatoes are peeled. We personally like the peels on, so that is why they are. Now I have my heated milk, my chives, I have some salt, but first I am going to smash the potatoes.
Oh, smash!
Now we will add some of our warm, buttery milk. So we can make these nice and creamy. And you don't have to add all your milk at one time. You may not even need it all. As I look at this, I am pleased with that. So I'm going to get rid of this. And I am going to stir in our chives. Or green onion.
Remember, Irish use a lot of salt.
Yes, they do. But we are not big salt eaters. So, you just add what you feel is comfortable for you. And traditionally, they say you serve this with a glass of cold milk.
Well, it looks like you got some buttermilk to drink.
Yeah, I got some buttermilk. That's okay. It'll get used. And that, my friends, is champ. Okay, friends, subscribe to the channel for more quick recipes and helpful hints. See you later.